Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, a movie queen in a lab show, chapter 76. So here it is. Let's read the story. Now, Shan Yue, she seems to be getting rattled. It seems that her mother is sending her a message and also she's not answering her phone call and it really makes rattle to her. Well, still, she really won't answer. Probably, she got really afraid of because she really escaped abroad just to go back home in China. Finally, she seems to be going to answer the video call that her mother wants to talk to her. Well, Shan Yu said hello, but her mother still. It really became furious. He stopped reading and ran back to his country without saying a word. Shan Yue, did you really want to die? Her mother said to her. Now, this girl, Mom, you scared me. You don't know how hard it's me for me to be in abroad. Foreigners tease me. White people make things difficult for me. If I don't return to my country and kiss my motherland, you will never see me, Shan Yue said to her. Tell me honestly, did you sneak back to China to do some trivial things again? Shan Yue, I never cared about your love affairs, but if you stop studying for the sake of love, well, her mother, she seems to be getting angry about that. If they knew that I returned to my country for love, I would probably be exiled. Now, makes sense to her. She was remembering that her little swan, her mother probably, they got to separate the two of them and it really makes sense. She was really getting troubled by this. On her mind, she was thinking, the little swan, well, even though she was taken away, still, this is not a good choice for her. That's why right now, she was hiding it from her mother. Mom, your own daughter, how could you not understand her? What kind of relationship is work of giving up everything and returning to China to pursue it just for fun? Shan Yu said, for real, have you ever seen me have a serious relationship? I'm under a lot of academic pressure, so I just want to kill some time. Once I have adjusted my attitude, I'll freak off and go back to school, so you can rest assured. Shan Yu said to her mother, but still, her mother seems to be doubtful. Probably she was thinking hard about this. Still, this kind of virtue. Well, her mother said to her, I don't know whether it's good or bad. Okay, now that you're back home, at least give your parents some calls and go home when you have time. Well, Shanyue, it seems that she was okay with this, but fortunately, it was to dealt with perfunctorily. But it seems that my good days in the country will not last long. Shanyue said to herself, well, even though the situation is like that, of course, she need to go back abroad. Her friends and other things are there. Go take time to fall in love. Don't know whether the little swan likes the gifts that are preferred for her. Well, it turns out this doll is really cute, right? Well, definitely, Shan Yue. She was pampering the little swans that she had. Well, what a cute things. She's really sweet. Back to Tao Tao and Suman. I'll never eat sugar cane again. I get a headache when I sit now. I'm so old and it's really difficult for me. Hey, right here. Now, she was pinching again. But Suman, it seems to be, she was walking around in the heat. Well, probably, she seems to be feeling discomfort. Look at her, she was sweating. But Tao Tao, she coming closer to her, said we were going to cut sugarcane together today, but my mind was full of what she said. In the afternoon, most of the work was done by Suman. Now, Tao Tao, she seems to be a little guilty for this. Dad, let me help you. Tao Tao said to Suman, but it seems that Suman sure don't want her to get tired of this. That's why she's the one who's doing the cutting. Thank you for your hard work today. These sugarcane programs will be sold together. The money from the sales will be donated to the children in mountainous areas under your name. Oh, that was really a sweet thing, right? The high scores are Suman and Tao Tao. Congratulations after the show. They can go on public travel trip or have a right to record for 5 minutes. Oh, this is a perfect time, right? Tao Tao, please give me 30 seconds to advertise, please. You look so thick-skinned. Sister Tao Tao and Sister Man Man, just give me 10 seconds. Ha ha. The announcer. He is really getting tricky. What are you doing? Tao Tao suddenly. She's been afraid of to get closer to Suman, but this awkwardness that they really feels, it really makes sense. We won't punish you anymore. The program team has prepared variety of delicious food for you just to enjoy. Wow, the production team finally behaved like a human being. Well, others seems to be complaining. Oh my god, only at this moment did I feel like I was participating in a dating variety show. People who didn't know would have thought that I was participating. Where are we going that? Now, after a while, the crew and the artists, they're really eating. Eat more. I exercised too much today. Well, the thing is, everything seems to be tasty. Now, Tao Tao, she was eating but someone gave her something. Speaking of losing weight, the atmosphere on my last set was really good, and after work, we all made plans to go out for dinner together. Oh, it seems to be good. All the crew and artists has been there, and they're really eating well. Suman finally, she sat down beside Tao Tao. But right now, it seems to be. She stood up and said, "Sorry, everyone. I'm not feeling well, so I'm going back to my room to rest." Suman, she looks really uncomfortable. She is turning red. Also, she was sweating. Sister Manman is not feeling well. Don't you want to go and see her? Well, it seems to be that she's really having trouble. But Tao Tao, I'm not related to her. But why should I care about her? No, Tao Tao, look at her. She was in trance, probably. She was thinking if she can going to approach her or she was still like that. If you want a name, go find her. Why are you complaining to me? You, what nonsense are you talking about? Tao Tao said to her. I'm also very tired after a hard day, so I'm going back to rest. Is this someone else's love story? It's so delicious. Oh, everything seems to be well, except for Tao Tao and Suman. Probably they really get tired cause they're the one who's being winning the first place. When Suman finally go back, well, she take rest. It seems that she's having difficulty to breathe. Well, this girl. Suddenly, the door is open. Could it be Rantau? Did she really came back for Suman? Or she's trying to see if she really feels better. But Rantau, she was calling Suman. Suman, she turned back to see who is the person who's calling her. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership so the open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.